Hello, David. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Rachel and I told her that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on the Land Crafters homepage. And so right away I can see that there was time or money spent into the site. It looks very professional and is well laid out, very user friendly. However, as I scroll through, I'm not seeing a lot of original content. And so these testimonials here would actually not be original content because you can find them on your Home Advisor, Google Business Profile, or wherever you did take them from. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words of original content on your homepage. I did a word counter search and you currently have 444 words, so I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. Now, in addition to having a lot of good content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A great example of a keyword right here is patio landscaping Milwaukee. This keyword brings in 260 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those clicks into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one single keyword. Beneath the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads can be a really great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition. They're also good when you want to take advantage of a hot market or promote a special offer or event that you have going on. They can also be a really good fast leads option while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. Beneath the ads, we have our Google Map Pack. So the Google Map Pack is extremely important. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots and bring in a ton of revenue, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp.com, YellowPages.com, or Yext are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are here. Also be careful when you're entering your information into these directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google Business Profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. Now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. So this should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something in the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. Now, in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local concrete company were to give you a backlink from their site and they had a powerful site, that would be a really good way to bring more power to your site. Over here, I have hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me upwards of $300 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of good information. And so here, I typed in the first competitor that came up for Patio Landscaping Milwaukee, and I can see that they have 27,000 backlinks from 122 different domains, and they are ranking organically for 474 keywords. So here I can click and take a closer look at which keywords they are ranking for. So you want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. So here it will list all the different keywords they're ranking for, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, what percent of their traffic comes from that keyword, and how many people look that keyword up every single month. And so you can go through, see which ones fit to what you do, and incorporate the best ones into your content. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the same thing I just did with the keywords to their backlinks. And so right now it's saying they have 27,000 backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, you want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you can go through and see which ones have a high AS authority score. You can click on the best ones and see if you could have your website added to these different pages. Now you can go through these backlinks, you can go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on your own as well. So over here, I have typed in your website into SEMrush as well. Right now, you guys have 682 backlinks from 124 different domains, and you are ranking organically for 158 keywords. So I'm going to take a look and see which keywords you're ranking for and which ones are bringing in the most traffic. And so right here, we can see all the keywords that are bringing you in pretty much all of your traffic are the ones with your company name in them. So it would be pretty hard for someone to find you if they weren't already looking for you in the first place. You are ranked for a couple good keywords here, somewhere around the middle to the bottom of the first page and then lower as we scroll down. But I think that you could get rise in the ranks for more of the right keywords if you incorporate the 3 things that I spoke about in this video into your online marketing plan, which, to recap, number 1, more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, more citations to get you ranked in the map pack. And then number 3, you want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so if we go back over here, we can see that your site has 349 people finding it organically every single month. If we go back to our competitor here, we can see that they have around double that much. And so that just shows you how lucrative having a powerful site can be when ranking for the right keywords. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can just email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching and I look forward to speaking with you.